tenant for government. Because the people now they be landlord. You don't see where landlord, where tenant, if they tell landlord you don't fit come to his house. Already, they don't postpone school reopening. Why they go delay reopening school? We have been doing election before. This is not the first, this is not the second, this is not the third. Everything now you don't do for politics. So he said we cannot do school for rally for school. I said okay. If now he build them, make it come talk. Now he build them. Now he get this land. His time never expire. That's why I say we must hold meeting. This rally on this ground. How can landlord run away from a tenant? And if the matter of animal farm, the lion and the elephant cannot run away from an antelope. In this case, we're able to talk of a grass cutter. Is somebody hearing something? Oh, for why? Who goes that way? You are able to do that. You are able to show money. What's the going no pay? Haba. So that is why I say please don't blow this in again. Because we have done enough entertainment, enough dance. Now we want to give you a message. And I go take our language talk. You know why it's important to talk in our language? Who don't get language has no origin. If you don't speak your language, you have no origin. Because if you speak English, are you an Englishman? They born you for England. Even if your papa buy a house for England, now only buy them. We didn't get for England, belong to England people. So, one more farmer. One remoza, one man remoza. Onahi, Monday, distinguished senator, Monday, Ukpaolo, alias Akpako Rescue. Hello. You know why they changed the name to Akpako Rescue? Because from Edo South to Edo Central to Edo North, everybody is saying there has been no governance in our state. These schools, this road, Udwa, all the things you can see around Edo State. After I left government, Obaseki went to sleep. He received 60 billion every month, doing nothing. So I am going to but before then, let me find out. Okay. One more? All right, I just asked the MC to go arrest because we want to make this thing sharp. No time for dengue. But after Saturday, the 21st, around this time, 22nd, you must do something. We go dengue. We go kurukere, we go buga. But for now, you need to know why you should verse on Saturday to go and vote out PDP. People deceiving people. Papa deceiving Pekin. And now Pekin is angry. Pekin deceiving Papa. In the end, people destroy people. We put an end to it so that a new government of progressive will come back. The same party that built this road, built this school, that party is coming back. But you must not take it for granted. It is not over until it is over. So this afternoon, try to play the role of MC. It is my honor and pleasure to invite the one and only digitalized minister. There are minister and there are minister. Minister. Those are global in about the Miewa. Elegant 40 140 in Tinubu. Ma voting the Tinubu lolo, my minister. Don't say, government or yana be change. So the legend where I say that is the same thing. What model can win, you will see many other things turning around. So honorable minister, that's in Niger Delta. Gafema guy yebe. APC Ipe oye Apawa oye Apasho oye Idato oye Ikabigbo oye Irapa oye Uzaru oye Mamo Okay, Ireso Apana oye Iyamo oye Ayogena oye Iyora oye Aya oye Opedo oye Iyora koda Uge makwame Ike kwa I'm taking it Imeke oye Iyuku oye Is anyone Opedo oye Oye Uroka oye Thank you very much. I think he wants 100 over 100. Thank you very much. Bambo, Ele, Makewale, in the parliament, that's number one. That's it. Ele, every Makewale to introduce to you Oyama Remuza for this election on the 21st. That is his own election. Please, starting from today, look for where you put your card, because that's the card you want to vote on that 21st. And Oyama Remuza, Lahona, distinguished Senator Monday Opewolo. And like as I've always said, politics, MRO develop away. For the past 8 years, there's nothing substantial no for the people of Edo North. Is there anything? The only thing is that it's fighting traditional rulers, it's fighting people, stealing people's land. We don't want that. We need somebody who will come and build this land for us. Let me tell you for one thing. Since our leader, Comrade Adam Soshomai, left government, governors in this state have been on holiday. By the grace of God, all go. If not because we voted massively for our president, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, it would not have been possible for me to be the Minister of Niger Delta. And we have to thank the president for deeming it fit to make me the minister. And with the instrument of being the Minister of Niger Delta, Thomas is on the Denapo. Magera manager, all him accused is the most important market in the whole of Edo North. But Ukavali no stone nothing. All government that through the instrument of Niger Delta, we have to reconstruct that market. And this year, we have provided 3 billion naira to construct that market. But I built that market to a standard, such a way that it will be like any other market all over Edo State. So that market has been neglected for too long. Every year you all take as a member of the National Assembly. I did so many things in all the communities that I've mentioned. Jattu here only, you know what I did. The community hall there is my product. The water in MTA that is serving the sample is my product. I have 2 transformers here that are still functioning. But I was told that one of them had a challenge recently. They should just give me something. I will replace it. As I'm talking to you now, so many communities in Uzarwe, Kabigbo, Apana, Ayogena, and so many of them, a lot of solar lamps are being installed. I'm sure you have seen them. Wherever you see the signpost of NDDC, try to socialize the whole donuts. And also Benin. If you go to Benin, you go to Isha. The same thing that is going on in Irua, in Ekpoma, in Ubiaja, a lot of them are going on. In Benin, the same thing. If you go to Ugo area, you go to Ugoneki, you go to Uromehi, you go to Abudu, and you go to the palace. The major is, at least by the time we go to Kape, when you go to the palace, you will see that it's like a daylight. So I can assure you that with Monday, voting for Monday, all of that is normal, we will get them. And that is what politics is meant for. Don't allow anybody to come and deceive you. But a it's only one paper. It's not like the other election. Only one ballot paper. All you look for is who can vote near Akpakomiza. Akpakomiza, the governor of Edo State. And Usaso Maremuza, which is APC. APC! I thought I was going to hear a louder round of applause. You know, don't worry. The road from shut up to the dollar PDP. You know, PDP, they don't want people to listen because they have no message. We have a message. Some get message, you go listen. Otherwise, I will dance with you. Hey, share the money, we go. But we have a message to tell. That's why we are called modernization. As you see me, so I'm fully modernized. I am modernized and you are modernized. We are not artificial intelligence. We are real people, organic. Even the road from Afawa to Ilele, and to control the erosion to what you are. No, there's already a road, but there's erosion there. All of that is already in the budget. When I tell you people want to go to Abuja, it is not to go there to be sleeping. Even the road linking us to Benin, I'm sure you are aware it's already been done. I told you people that the first constituency project between Monday and I, when we did the reception, I said that will be our first constituency project. Again, that's already been done. That's why when I hear some people, they say, Monday know they talk. I said, Monday know what to say and where to say it. You say the right thing to the right president at the right time, you get the right approval, and then you get the right construction going on. That's the way it works. Everything is calculated. Those who want to be shouting in the market, they can go and shout. We want to be getting the job done. We don't do MOU. We're going to just get the job done. So now I am going to bring my son. My son. Uzare people, I want to use this occasion. In every family, hello, I don't want more noise. Because I want everybody to go home with a message. Who no get something to show, now they throw store into market. So that when there's confusion, I don't need to sell, you go down, go home. We have a good product. And I beg you to listen. When we finish, we got the gedeng. When I shake my way, you go to say I'll be 17, no be so? So I know how to do it, but today I walk. You know why this is very important? Uzare makila, eruwe omadze, maadzobe, maadze meso. Or sometimes I'm a put a try in a family. Amiaki okyo oluelu. Emubaka agemie amioli. Umi ogomo ogilako, era ogogomoko. Omosi obuwoli. Oposo Okpomosi. But Emma Badua, Ememare me no genana no Bekua na esi naga make eme yala or your maudu. Because Udu no yala, all material meso. And all yadu like the wall over yadu a megui. All yadu get the megui. All yadu a quay amosimo womi. But I'm a woman, I'm a bad make okay or children. And as of today, by the special grace of God, okay, see, was ready. And I am pleased. I remember the day we had a meeting in one of these classrooms, and I said, you cannot like the father and hate the son. Many things have happened, but that is the test. Even the Bible tells us there are moments of temptation. And it is he who survived temptation that is a man or a woman. So those who thought that I will go to my grave without reconciling with my son, they should go and be crying. I have fully from my heart. And I've also told my mother, she has to be a mother of everyone. And so the past belongs to the past. The future is much more. So Philip is my son. And I will give him the mic. Now give my man in Uzairwe. And he can put small English, very small, because we don't have more time. We still have 2-3 people to speak. So we'll make them 10. So chook man for the matter. I'm on the way. Ami, Amo. So what I want to do, if you feel poo. What I want to do, you feel poo. But this one is the authentic deputy governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu. APC. APC. One more. Erama, Ugaragbe. Erama. Thank you very much. Election on the 21st. Obara Robo. Usato Mara Robo. PDP Onibena. Okay, Yorus Arena. Okay, yes, West. So on that day, 100% Rimarani APC. Wale APC Abiyama Ogwagwa, APC Regbikaya. Wage Leono Ori, my first constituency project. Ona Ogyo. Oni Kena Kera Ogyo. Then any Kera Ogyo. Ona Kira Ogyo. Distinguished. 8 years in House of Assembly, I did 49 constituency projects. 8 years. The 20 villages that make up Zare, some of them 2 projects. All the villages in Satibe, I did projects. That was my first constituency project in House of Assembly. This other one and this other one. So by the grace of God, APC has shown that in Edo State, that is the party that delivers. So by the grace of God, by the grace of God, until 21st of September. One more. Memi ayane wamuza machana lele mayi elu agelu mayi abgenera that usato rara vote na emaigyo door to door, house to house. No matter it is your wasoyo. One more. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now we have one of our leaders in Jattu, Right Honorable Lukman, but he too did a look woman too. Lukman Mohammed, as a Muslim, you are entitled to look at least 4 women. So when you will say that only Lukman, we increase the number of women. If you tell the Nigeria Prime Minister to find me a location in that ministry. APC! Our governor is waiting. I'm not going to waste your time. In Benin, at our interactive session, I said you are the Moses of our time, sent to liberate, who was sent to liberate Israelites from the bondage of Pharaoh. But today, God has chosen you to liberate Edo people from the bondage of the heartless of Baseki. They tried to stop the defection, they failed. They tried to stop the rallies, they have failed. They want to intimidate you by waylaying you on the way. They have failed again because they have seen that God has already destined you to govern this state. What I want to tell you, Afema, Balogi ane pisina, logi tu zarwe, logi se donoti, ododo mo moza voti. Opani pisina limaza mo wima, no ki leader na Sony party na ko Edo state, no ki comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole. And Oshomole Musa, Ikibala Musa. We don't need campaign, but our people are very passionate about where Oshomole stands in election. He is our son. The fact is here, already shown us that when we are voting. If we are not voting because of Oshomole, we have another Uzare son that you people, Oshomole has made the #1 party man in Edo state. The person of our son, Emperor Jattu. Is it not enough for us to vote? Today we have the instrument of authority in the hand of a Jattu man, in the hand of an Uzare man, the person of His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State. This afternoon when I saw him, he said, Oshomole had directed that they open this venue, that he's going to march to this venue. He led everybody, say follow. He followed. The walls were broken and we all entered. That is the first victory for this election. Comrade, you know that in this election, it is either I call you and say, Philip is doing this, or you tell me what is Philip doing. Today, Philip and I are united. No one will talk here in this Jattu. No one. So, la Liga Fama, I have on Eminake, if they don't find anything, the fact that Comrade Oshomole is on your side, the fact that Jattu is from here, the fact that the Deputy Governor is here, and the fact that this Honorable Minister for Niger Delta is Uzare, he is Awuchi, he is Esako, he is Afema. Shortly after this, I said he called me, said, Lukman, begin to tell all our Muslim completors, this is where I stand. I say the message is being carried out. So you have already won. We assure you of the vote here. Thank you so much. Hello. We have two more brief talk. One by our state chairman, Jattu from Ikabigbo, Uzairwe. Jared, no wonder you wear designer shirt today. Make you chook mad for this matter. Chook mad well, but don't chook mad too long. APC. Open for governor. Okolaji Lirano. Makalele Leomio, he shout APC. Number 1. Who is the leader of APC in Edo State? Who is the leader of the party in Edo State? Who is the Deputy Governor of Edo State? Who is the Deputy Governor? Who is the party chairman of Edo State, APC? Oshomole, Philip Shebu, Jattu, where are they from? Are you people going to vote for them? Are we going to queue behind our leader, Comrade Adams Oshomole? All our votes should go to Senator Monday Obawolo and Dennis Idahosa. Senator, I want to appeal to you. There is the airport they used in deceiving us here. We want to appeal to you that in your time, that airport will be a reality. That is the demand I'm making from you. Thank you. APC! Hello. I told Jared now you have misspoke. Because APC didn't promise airport here. It's PDP. What you should say is that until PDP carry aircraft land for After my airport, they must remain airborne. They cannot be on the ground. But the election will be done on the ground. So, because we have a lot of commitments here and there. Now, let me bring a diplomat. Honor Emina Okilak Inyuku. Ambassador, no, the first name. Ambassador Muhammad Yama, come and do diplomacy. You are already sweaty before you talk.
Wala irama aida mene irama somali ewa hime kwa okeshe nuga misspoke ona zawo nimare muzaile distinguished senator Monday Okpebolo liko ya ikana wa yegbe ama ora agbe nikaya no pase ki o agbe Ariyo Otobo ya oragi wa me orago wa emi national leader na so ko ipagbo ni komre Osomole ora me pa o no wale that egbegbo ya no ki ozawo no matilwe moyo loralu no fulfill the promise lilokia ma reko obi mara vote yo. Thank you very much. Orago thank you very much.
Bam, 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 bam. I'm sure. Yes. I'll see you. Well, let me just say a few sharp things and I'll give the mic to the governor because we have a limited time. Our mission of APC should be very clear. We want to continue to build new schools and guarantee the future of our children. The governor had to take him out to talk. We do not accept that now our people cannot farm because of insecurity. And when people tell you that it's federal government, no. Yeah, take it away. You have to understand that when I was here, we set up Operation Thunderstorm. We did not buy AK-47 or pump action to give to young boys and be paid the 10,000, 20,000 at the eve of election. And we were able to mop up many of the kidnappers. And our people were able to go to the farm. So today, Edo State Governor has bought several weapons to give young boys who is not paying good salary. And it does so because election is coming, so that they can create insecurity in the land. Today, our people are afraid to go to the farm. Otherwise, who wants to clear over 10 kg bag of rice? Our people are not lazy, they are hardworking. They are not asking government to set up a long dining table for them to feed free. They want to be able to go to farm and produce the food that we eat. Our women want to be able to go to the market and trade and service the commercial life of our communities. They just want good schools so that their children, the child of a cassava farmer, can become the governor of tomorrow, can become the engineer next tomorrow. That is the way it works. If the money Obaleki is receiving 16 billion every month, that's about 550 million every day he will receive it today. If he's using that money in Edo State, and the local government councils are working, and the House of Assembly members are working, money will trickle down. For every school you build, you will employ bricklayers, you will employ carpenters, you will buy wood, you will buy ceramic tiles. All of these things are produced by people. That is how the money goes down. Somebody will use tipper to go and bring sand, and that person will go and bring stone to do concrete in the school. But when you are not doing anything, all of the people are idle. Money doesn't just appear by miracle. It appears through a system. When we are working on these roads, did you not see our people working? When they finish, who cook food for them? Mama put. When they go to Mama put to buy food to eat, is the money not going to Mama put? When Mama put selling pounded yam, you know go Jattu market go buy new yam. You know go buy gari. When you buy gari, the person producing cassava, you know go sell. But when there is no job going on, the money is just going to Lagos, into a private pocket. That is why poverty has become endemic. But Afeba, we didn't come here to cry. We are only listing the sin of the past. For me, tomorrow is much more than yesterday. If we write lessons about why we failed for 8 years, I am sure the next 8 years we can make up. That is why we have changed the name of our governor from Akpako Misa to Akpako Rescue. Therefore, I'm now going to have the honor and pleasure to invite, by the special grace of God, using Edo people as the instrument. One man, one vote. One woman, one vote. The next governor of Edo State, my own friend and brother, we are both colleagues in the Senate. In the Senate, when I move a motion, he supports. He second me. When he move a motion, I second him. Together, we have done good things, including Bini Okwela Road, which we said we were going to do already. The federal government is doing it. So, this is a man who is already delivering. We don't need an untested Oyibo emergency Edo or emergency Esan man who does not eat Esan food. He does not sleep in Esan village. When he finishes, he goes to Project Hotel to eat Oyibo food. That one not be original. That is why he like for a camp artificial intelligence. We want to be governed by accountable people, visible people, organic people, native intelligence. Nothing is more than that. Because the world must be governed by human beings, not by non-accountable artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, the people of Uzare, I present to you the next governor of Edo State by the special grace of God. Akpako Rescue. Uzare, yeah! Youth, oh yeah! Women, oh yeah! Thank you very much. We need a new Edo. A new Edo is rising. On the 21st of September, we are going to rewrite our history. That is the day we will choose to fight insecurity in our land. That is the day we will say, yes, we are going to have new educational system in our land. That is the day we will say, yes, we are going to build primary health care center in all our wards. That is the day we will say, yes, agriculture, we are going to provide fertilizers to farmers and also provide soft loan for market women. That is the day we will say, yes, we will now vote for potable water to drink. Let me tell you something. This government of Obaseki, what has he actually done for us? Our schools in my village, we only have 3 teachers. Out of the 3, 1 is headmaster. Invariably, we have 2. So we are going to put a full stop to that. Our children must go to school. We are going to employ over 5,000 teachers within a short time in the office. Let me tell you, when the righteous are on the throne, the people will rejoice. Now, before now, there were a lot of crises in Niger Delta, but since our brother became the minister of Niger Delta, has this not stabilized? That is what we are going to repeat. Uzare people, I am going to promise you one thing. I'm going to continue from where Adam Soshomole stopped. Because I realize you have a great son. Adam Oshomole is a great man who has the lion heart to develop Edo State. We are going to continue with that trend. Edo is our place. We have no other place to go. Those criminals that kidnap us cannot stay in our land. We will smoke them out. Wherever they hide, either in the cave, we will pursue them and make sure they don't remain in our land. God bless Uzare people. God bless our land. God bless all of us. Thank you very much. Brother, Vamos. Afẹ́mọ̀ vamos. Uzarwe oye. Oparolo oye. APC everywhere. Vamos. Friday, vamos. Watch it. Capacity. Vamos.